Bluey tiptoed into the backyard. A mysterious glow shimmered above the flowers. Could it be magical? Bingo ran over. She shouted, "Bluey, look at that!" Bluey's tail twitched. Could this be the start of an adventure? Dad peeked from the porch. "Be careful." Mom followed quietly. Bluey nodded determinedly. The glow floated higher. Bluey gasped. Bingo whispered, "Could it lead to something amazing?" They ran after it. Over the grass. Around the fountain. Bluey's paws barely touched the ground. Could they catch it before it disappears? Suddenly, a tiny hidden door appeared under the oak tree. Bluey's heart raced. She whispered, "Let's see inside." She opened the door. A tunnel of sparkling colors stretched ahead. Could this really be a portal? Inside, the tunnel shimmered mysteriously. Shadows danced along the walls. Bluey felt a thrill. Bingo's paws barely touched the ground. Could this world be enchanted? A small creature with glowing wings appeared. Bluey whispered, "Hello." Could this be our guide? The creature led them to a secret garden. Flowers glimmered in rainbow colors. Bluey twirled in delight. Could happiness feel this magical? Suddenly, sparkling footprints appeared. Bluey gasped. Bingo shouted, "What are those?" Could they be clues leading to treasure? They followed the footprints, jumping over tiny streams, chasing glowing butterflies, laughing and discovering secrets. Could the magic last forever? A shadow flickered behind a bush. Bluey froze. Bingo whispered, "Who's there?" Dad and Mom looked anxious. Could danger be near? Bluey took a deep breath. She stepped forward courageously. The shadow revealed a playful dragon. Bluey laughed. Bingo hugged her. Could the adventure get even better? As the sun began to set, they returned home. The backyard looked normal again. Bluey whispered, "What an incredible day." Bingo hugged Bluey tightly. "Thank you for sharing this magical adventure." Bluey wagged her tail happily. "And you?" "Yes, you." If you felt the thrill with Bluey, don't forget to subscribe and like. Thank you so much for watching.